solar house, and I feel like on my Instagram stories I normally show you guys when we tour all the new houses that we're looking at, but I realized I've never given you a tour of the house I live in. Brad and I have been living here for a year and a half now. It's the first house that we've lived in together. Before we had condos in LA, but this felt like the first official home because it's technically a house. So today I'm going to give you a tour of our house that we've been living in for a while. I should have done this when we moved in, but then I felt like I didn't decorate enough, and then it kind of just went into this. So yay! House tour! So we'll start at the beginning. I'm also not gonna clean up for this. The movers come tomorrow. It is messy and I just don't have the energy. So let's tour our house. We are at the front of the house. It is a beautiful, beautiful day, but here's our little front yard. Cute. But if you come over here, this is kind of a side entrance down here. But we are going to go through the front door. Hi, Penny. Snacks for delivery drivers. Here's a little entryway. And first we will start on this floor. So as soon as you walk in, you see stairs, a coat closet. There's nothing in here because we're moving. And then right over here is the master bedroom. Our closet is also empty. Shoes. Honestly, it's looked the best it's ever looked because normally it's jam-packed in here. Here's our bathroom. Funny story about these automatic lights. Whenever I go someplace else now, I expect them to be automatic and I always forget. I'm like, why did the lights turn on? There used to be a lot more decor in here, but unfortunately it's packed. Remember when I had to paint things to go over our photos for showings? Still have them up. So here's the bedroom. Little fun fact, I've never had a TV in my bedroom until Brad and I lived together. So, what a treat, you know? I'm living out of a suitcase. You can tell I'm very organized. But then we have a front balcony off of here that we've never sat at that looks at the front yard. Come on, hon. Now we're back at the front door and we will go down. Garage. Well, 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 look who it is.
I made it.
You want to show the people your office?
Oh, yeah.
That you rearranged?
It wasn't feng shui, so I had to change it. Hey, do you want to keep that?
No. Okay, show off your feng shui here.
So, now we can look at the wall, but from further away from the wall. And I have a waiting room that Taylor watches me work.
I actually just rearranged it so I could take a photo here.
So yeah, now I can not be right against the wall, but I can have some floor to look at.
Beautiful.
Before I see the wall.
Yeah. We've got a bathroom in here. And then this was the entrance that we were talking about.
And this was our pool table, that I didn't ever use, but it's not ours anymore.
Sold it at the house.
Neither is Wayne Gretzky.
It's just to commemorate. We have a signed Wayne Gretzky. There's the signature, but the buyer also wanted it, so he bought it with the house. So he almost bought everything in here. And that's the front yard up there.
We should play pool once.
Once.
One time.
All right, there's more stairs, believe it or not. Wow, I love what you did with the place, Brad.
Love to reorganize.
This isn't normally here, but moving, it is. It's Harry Potter's room. It's also where we keep the luggage. Not very exciting. All right, one more step and you've made it to the bottom. Congrats. So in here is a closet where we keep cleaning supplies. What? Our laundry room. Everything's ready to go. Also, I really prefer the washers and dryers that have the sides in them instead of having the hole on top, just because I'm short and I can't reach in them. So, I don't know. Hot tip. Okay. This is our guest bedroom. I guess I left some shoes down here. And the view is not great. It's just some stairs to the top. Told you, lots of stairs in the home. I love this carpet, but the buyer bought the furniture in here and the carpet. Also, we have more bedding. It's all going to storage. And the bathroom down here, super cute. This is the only bathroom in the house that I didn't use. That's not saying that much. There's 3 bathrooms with a shower. Hey, what are you doing? Let's go back upstairs and get a workout. So we're back at the front door. So you can see here, we're back on the main floor. So let's go up. Now we have reached the living space, the living room. I don't know what you want to call it. This is where we do a lot of our work. So we've been working from home. Brad's chair. My mom hates it. I don't mind it. So if you come out onto the balcony, again, stunning day. You can see the beach out there, and these go all the way out. So you can just have a little cool hangout spot. Who remembers my pool from the summer? 'Cause I got something for you. To our kitchen. I need to deflate it to put in storage. But this is our kitchen. The buyer bought the table. Oh, also the patio furniture. Forgot to mention that. Fridge. Guess we can go in the pantry. Wow. We have a half bath up here that's pretty small and narrow. Gets the job done though, because you don't want to go all the way downstairs if you need a pee-pee. It's right here for you. This is Brad's pride and joy, his coffee maker. If you were to drop something, you could actually make it to the bottom floor. It's scary. Now, we're going up to the top, people. Actually like blind right now. So originally we were going to put a whole barbecue setup, but because of COVID we took a halt and then we decided to sell it. So that happened. Also, for all my sky shots, they're all shot up here. So I'll give you an idea of what it kind of looks like. Normally the camera is on a tripod, bit facing up. This one actually doesn't rotate that, so bear with me. And then I stand on this. And that's how I take my pictures. Pretty sweet, huh? I'm actually going to really miss this view. A lot. It's stunning. That was my mini house tour. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys follow me on Instagram at Taylor Grace to kind of see this whole home buying process, because we're moving in with my parents until we get our house. Send me good luck that my family acts appropriately. And yeah, the last video in this house, so sad, but I'm excited, but I'm sad. It's bittersweet. So follow me on here to get updates, like it, and subscribe. But I will see you next time. Bye!